Long-reach excavators are incredible machines. They're designed for demolition, dredging, and jobs where extra reach is essential. But here's the challenge. These excavators can weigh over 100,000 pounds and stretch more than 100 feet long. So how do you actually move something that massive from one construction site to another? Let's break down the process. The first step is understanding the machine's specifications. Transport teams measure the weight, height, width, and overall length to determine what kind of trailer and permits will be required. Because these machines are oversized, detailed planning is critical before the transport even begins. Long-reach excavators often need partial disassembly before transport. The extended boom, stick, and sometimes the counterweights are removed to reduce the machine's length and balance the load properly. Breaking the excavator into separate components makes it easier and safer to transport on public roads. Next comes loading. Most long-reach excavators are transported using lowboy or flatbed trailers designed for oversized equipment. These trailers sit lower to the ground, allowing tall machinery to travel safely under bridges and over highways. Sometimes multiple trailers are used to distribute the weight properly. Once loaded, the excavator must be carefully secured with heavy-duty chains and tie-downs. The boom, arm, and tracks are positioned to keep the load stable and prevent movement during transit. Transport crews also inspect the tie-downs multiple times to make sure everything stays secure on the road. Because of the size and weight, transporting a long-reach excavator usually requires oversized load permits and carefully planned routes. Transport companies must consider bridge clearances, road weight limits, and sometimes even arrange escort vehicles for safety. All of this planning ensures the equipment moves safely and legally. Transporting a long-reach excavator isn't just about loading it on a truck. It involves careful planning, specialized trailers, secure loading, and detailed route coordination. When done correctly, even the largest construction machines can be moved safely and efficiently to the next job site. If you want to learn more about heavy equipment transport, check out the guide in the description.